This is a fresh installation of Windows 10, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing SABnzbd. The official website is SABnzbd.org. So we're at the official website, and the latest version that we're installing today is 4.5.5. This is the Windows version, although there is other versions for different operating systems that you can install as well. We're going to go ahead and download it, and you can see it's automatically downloading on our computer. And here it is. I'm just going to double click on it to launch it. At the prompt, you just say yes, and we'll just minimize these windows. We're going to use English. Click on OK. We have a license agreement that you can agree to. And here are the default components. I like to have mine start up immediately. This is up to you, but I like to select this so it automatically runs on startup. Click on next. And we're going to use a default folder. If you have a different location, you can click on browse and sort it there. Click on next, keep the default name, click on install, and it's done. So we have the checkmark box to automatically run this. So we'll click on finish. Here is the README file if you want to see more about the application and changes. What we're left here is the application that we want to use to open it. I like using Chrome. You can use Edge or whatever browser you'd like. Click on OK, and it's going to launch it. Now, if it doesn't work right away, the default IP address that you want to put in your browser is 127.0.0.1, and then the port is 8080, and we're doing the wizard right now to set this up. So here is the wizard. The default language is English. We're going to keep it there and click on Start Wizard. Now what you want to do is enter in your Usenet provider information. You want to put in the host, which is going to be the server over here, the username and password. The service I like to use is Easynews. You can use any service that you want. I'll link some options down below. Over here, they're advertising newshosting.com. I find Easynews a little bit cheaper, but the service is excellent. Okay, so now I have my host, my username, my password. SSL is optional. The port that Easynews is using is going to be 563. Unencrypted, which is not using SSL, is going to be 119. Once you have your information in here, you can click on the test server button. So it's testing the server. You can see that my connection is successful. We'll click on next. So the setup is complete. We have the IP address over here that you're going to go to when you want to access it, if it doesn't open up automatically. And then we also have the folders. So the complete download folder, where everything will be when it's done downloading, will be in the downloads folder under complete. So if I go into here and I go into my downloads folder, you can see it created a complete folder. This is where everything will download. And they also have a temporary folder while things are downloaded and they're not complete. It'll stay in the incomplete folder, which is this one right over here. It created both of these folders for me. This is fine. I'm going to leave everything as default. We'll click on go to SAB, and we have our installation complete. So now everything is set up. Once you download an NCB file, you can click on here to add it, or by default, it should automatically load in here as long as it goes into your download folder. If you want to find some indexers, you can go over to Google and type in NZB indexing. I'll give you a bunch of options for different services that are out here to download NZB files or search on newsgroup servers. So that's how you download and install NZB on a Windows 10 PC. I hope you found this video useful. If you're looking for other services, such as these integrated tools over here, I have guides on walking you through them. You can go ahead and check it on the channel. I'll also link them down below in the description. Hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please smash the like button. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.